Hey everyone, it's Jackie. This week, I want to talk to you about the importance of positivity, the importance of approaching the current situation with a can-do attitude rather than focusing on what you can't do. In my newsletter column, I talked a lot about when life gives you lemons, make orange juice and leave other people wondering how you did it. It's a little different, but it works. Think about some of the things that we have been able to accomplish over the past several months. First and foremost, travel advisors are more valued than ever. The traveling public now understands that they can do it alone, but they shouldn't do it alone. They should work with professional travel advisors who can help ensure that they have a fantastic and worry-free vacation when the time comes. We also have taken the time to connect more than we typically do when we were operating in a pre-pandemic environment. The Zoom calls with suppliers and colleagues have really helped you up your game and remain positive. And here at Nexion Travel Group, we are working hard to convert some live training experiences into virtual training experiences. Like you, I am so upset that we had to cancel Connection, but on the flip side, I'm really excited about some of the possibilities that we are looking at to offer our conference in a new and different way. Think about it. Everyone will be able to attend. There'll be no such thing as being sold out. You won't have to choose between the fantastic workshops, because if there's more than one class you want to take at any given time, no problem. You can go back and take the others later. So we want to do all possible to replicate the experience. So please choose to focus on some of the positive things that have been going on. Schedule Connection in your calendars September 11th to the 13th. I certainly can't wait to see you all there. And until then, enjoy your orange juice. For those of you in the US, have a happy and healthy Memorial Day weekend. And for those of you in Canada, happy 1 week after Victoria Day weekend. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, please take the time to celebrate and view things through a positive lens. Remember, we all are stronger together.